Greetings, gardening and farming enthusiasts. Today we're stepping into the world of the English Black Orpington Hen, a breed celebrated for its elegant appearance and practicality. These hens have a rich history and unique qualities that make them a cherished addition to backyard flocks. But before we delve into that captivating exploration, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. The English Black Orpington Hen, also known as simply as the Black Orpington, has a history dating back to the late 19th century in England. They were developed by William Cook and were initially bred for their impressive size, meat quality, and prolific egg production. These hens quickly gained popularity due to their practicality and elegance. English Black Orpington hens are large and graceful birds known for their majestic appearance. They have lustrous black plumage that shines brilliantly in the light. Their combs and wattles are typically red, and they have a dignified and calm disposition. To successfully raise an English Orpington hen, you'll need a well-maintained coop or shelter that provides protection from the elements. They are hardy birds that can adapt to various climates. Providing clean water and a balanced diet is crucial for their overall health and prolific egg laying. English Black Orpington hens are known for their calm and sociable temperament, making them excellent companions for other poultry breeds. They are often kept in mixed flocks where their dignified presence adds a sense of grandeur to the poultry yard. English Black Orpington hens are highly regarded for their practicality. They are prolific layers of brown eggs, making them a favorite among those seeking fresh eggs for consumption or sale. Their friendly and docile nature also makes them great for educational purposes and as pets. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of the English Black Orpington hen. These elegant and historical birds with roots in England and a legacy of practicality. From their majestic appearance to their role as prolific layers, they bring an air of grace to any poultry yard. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of gardening and farming. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, keep nurturing your green spaces, and may your farm or backyard be enriched with the elegance and practicality of these magnificent English Black Orpington hens. Farewell and happy farming.